Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today is just going to be kind of like, I don't even really know what I'm going to title this video. Sort of newbie friendly, but it really applies to anyone who coupons, wants to save money, anything like that. I'm using CVS as an example and CVS's upcoming deals. So there will be clips from CVS ad for $4.29. And I'm also going to show you a deal that I did this current week for $4.22 for L'Oreal. Just because it's just going to be for a reference. So, a couple of different things that I want to kind of get into this video. If you're trying to gain extra bucks, this is the best way that I think to show you and that I think works is going to be your beauty program for sure. It's where you get extra bucks if that makes any sense. So we spend $30 on beauty and you get a $3 beauty buck reward. Then you get quarterly reward. So those are extra bucks that you're not having to specifically do certain how can I explain? You're not doing a specific deal just to get those. Like, you can do an all-May makeup deal and not only get the extra bucks that is for that specific deal, whatever time that, occurs. Let's say you spend $30 in that transaction. You're also going to get a $3 beauty buck for the beauty buck program reward. So you're getting an extra set of extra bucks just for buying qualifying products. You can find that list on the CVS website. That's, not something I'm going to cover here. There's a ton of things that are included and that aren't included. But these deals are makeup deals. We've been having a ton of makeup deals this week, and we're going to have a ton of makeup deals next week. So basically, I'm just going to use some example deals using your CVS CRTs that you get every week. You just scan your card. Those are CVS CRTs. Cash register tape is the abbreviation CRT. That's what that stands for. It is on a roll of tape. That's why I think they call it that. And we all get different ones. So unless otherwise, specify which is like an instant coupon, usually they give us one a week. Sometimes they don't give us one at all, but sometimes they usually do a deal with one of those a week. They often do mystery offers. You're going to see that included here. So those are times that you can use those in conjunction with your CRTs and try to get sort of like a money-making deal, even though you're making extra buck money. You're not making actual cash money. It's sort of like the overage is going to be in an extra buck. And that's how you gain extra bucks. Between doing deals that you're making some money on, making an extra buck profit on, and that are qualifying towards the beauty program, which you're also going to get more extra bucks. And that's how you will start to gain the ECBs to start rolling into your next transactions and next week of couponing. And then eventually you could probably, gain enough where that's all you're doing is rolling extra bucks and simply only using your cash out-of-pocket money to pay for your state tax. All right, so the main tip that I have is beauty program is where you will make the extra bucks. So definitely take that into consideration when you're doing deals and make sure you are paying attention to your qualifying purchases. See, what your beauty reward is. Like if you only need $15 to meet your $30 thresholds. I always keep up on it. I know every week what I need to hit the beauty buck, and I make sure that I incorporate a deal if I have the extra ECBs to use. This week I had to use a ton of them. They were going to expire. So I did a lot of beauty deals because I knew that I wouldn't take a major loss because I was at least going to get the beauty buck rewards back on top of whatever deals I did. So that's just a little piece of advice. So for this particular week coming up is $4.29. They have a physician's formula deal, and it's a buy instead of a spend. So you're buying 2 of their items and getting $10 back. It's a limit of 1. So, like, the best way to utilize this deal is to obviously, hopefully, pair a cosmetic CRT with that. So, generally, the cosmetic CRTs come in like a 3 off of 12, a 4 off of 15 lately. So, those will be some of the more popular cosmetic CRTs. 3 off of 12 was very popular for a while, and now they've been handing out 4 off of 15s. So, this is the scenario option that I would consider because it's the cheaper of the items. And also keep in mind when you do any sort of couponing deals, just because you want to obviously get the cheaper option because you're going to make, you're going to get more of a savings on it. Also keep in mind and take into consideration, you want to get stuff that you can utilize and or donate, not just get it just to get it and it's going to serve absolutely zero purpose. So their cheaper products for physician's formula specifically is the makeup remover. So a lot of us women wear makeup, so we can utilize makeup remover, and or I'm sure you have a girlfriend or somebody you could pass it down to if you just are looking to do makeup deals to roll extra bucks, whatever. And their concealer is, again, another one of their cheaper items. So you could definitely do 2 of the makeup removers, and it would be a better scenario. But I'm trying to give you an option where you can also get some useful stuff. So you're going to get 1 of the concealers, 1 of the makeup removers, and these deals I'm going to show you will probably be in tomorrow's breakdown, just so you know. So the concealers are about $7.79. The makeup removers are $5.49. Prices do vary by region, so of course adjust your math. I live in New York, so chances are you will pay less than me, so consider yourself lucky. So the total for both of these items is $13.28. So using a cosmetic CRT, like I said, usually come 3 off of 12 or 4 off of 15. In this case, you are at the $13 mark, so you would want to use 3 off of 12 because you are not hitting $15. So use that 3 off of 12 CRT. You're going to pay $10.28 and get back a $10 extra buck. So it makes your final cost after your extra buck just 28 cents, which is 14 cents an item. 14 cents from $7.79, 14 cents from $5.49. That's a considerable amount of savings. That is well below 50, 75%. That is extremely, extremely cheap. So that is a good deal in and of itself. Now you're also 45% towards hitting a $3 beauty buck. So another deal like this, and you're going to get hit a $3 reward. And you're already only spending 28 cents after getting your $10 extra buck for this deal. So that is a great deal this is a great promotion to start as far as a makeup deal is concerned. It's a good product. It's a buy 2, get 10, so you can get the cheaper item and get a considerable amount of extra bucks back. So the initial investment and the return is pretty much equal. And then you can now start rolling those 10 extra bucks into your next deal. So then all May is going to be spend 12, get 4. So I brought this up because we do have a mystery offer coming. We also have really good coupons. We have a $3 for the eyeshadow. The eyeshadow quads are only $6.99. They're one of their cheaper items. So again, you want to pair this with some sort of CRT. So they do have $3 on all May CRTs floating around. Now, I don't know what the talk is about the manufacturer CRT not being able to be used with a coupon. I have not ran into that problem, so I am not aware. It's something that I've just been seeing like literally today. So this was already done without that taken into consideration. So I am not sure what is going on, if every store is changing and now these certain CRTs that have a brand name, if they have the letters MFR, means it's an actual manufacturer coupon and not a CVS CRT. So that will change the outcome of this deal if that is the case. So if you happen to have that 3 on Almay, using a $3 cosmetic CRT, and of course, whatever mystery offer they're going to give us. I am doing this assuming that the mystery offer is the lowest we've ever seen it, which is $2. So it would be a $2 off an Almay Cosmetic mystery offer. So assuming that's the offer, and you have a 3 off of 12 cosmetic CRT and a $3 off Almay, you would buy 2 of the quads at $6.99 each, so that's $13.98. And then you're going to use 2 of those 3 manufacturer coupons that we got in the 4/8 Red Plum, so that's $6 in the manufacturer coupons situation. You're going to add in those 3 CRTs that I just listed above here, which is the mystery offer and the 2 personalized CRTs. So that's a total of $14 in savings. So you're actually in the negative to pay because your total is $13.98. So you are paying nothing and actually making 2 cents, and you're receiving $4 in extra bucks for spending 12 on Almay. Plus $13.98 is what you spent. That is going towards beauty. So you are again 45% towards beauty. So you're essentially making a $4.02 profit in extra bucks, plus almost halfway towards beauty. So if you did this in conjunction with the Physicians Formula, you would just about be getting a $3 beauty buck on top of this. So even if you didn't have the Almay CRT, or your store was saying that it's like this manufacturer situation and all you had was a cosmetic CRT, you would deduct $3 because both of those CRTs were for the amount of $3. So you would deduct one of those, just use your mystery offer and your regular standard cosmetic CRT. You would pay $2.98 but still get back 4 extra bucks. So you're still in a profit area of $1.02. So you're still extra. You're ahead of the game and extra with the ECBs. So it's still a profitable deal for CVS. And then L'Oreal is on a spend 12, get 4. It's a limit of 1. And currently IBOTTA has 2 offers, 2 $2 offers for qualifying products. So of course you want to have your app ready, scan it. I'm really sorry about that light, guys. I don't know what else to do. I'm trying to stand in front of it. So you want to make sure that you're scanning your products. You want to make sure that your offer is available before purchasing anything, unless the deal is worth doing even without IBOTTA. But I just did a L'Oreal deal, and it really, I wouldn't have done it if I didn't have to, number 1, roll extra bucks, and if I didn't have the IBOTTA. So we do have coupons in the 4/8 Retail Me Not, and you're going to want to pair it with some CVS CRTs if you have available. And of course, it's a beauty item, so it counts towards beauty. So my example I'm going to show you is the deal that I did this current week. I had gotten in the mail a $4 off of $20 purchase for L'Oreal Cosmetics mailer. It came with a 25% coupon. So I decided, look, I had to roll extra bucks, and I didn't want to take a huge loss. I seen IBOTTA had offers. I had a 4 off of 15 cosmetic CRT. I knew we had manufactured coupons. I literally, guys, had to do almost every deal in the joint this week, and I still have $10 I have to roll. So I had no choice, really. I had to do every extra buck deal that I could do and try not to lose. So my best bet was to do the Beauty Buck deal because I knew I could also get Beauty Bucks back. And so far, I've gotten like $15 this week because I've bought in so much makeup. So you want to always take that into consideration. IBOTTA offers, anything like that. So what I did this week is I picked up the Voluminous Lash. I probably should have brought it over here. The Voluminous Lash, because it had a specific $2 manufacturer coupon. It had it was good for the IBOTTA $2 eye rebate. It was $10.49, and then I picked up a BB cream for $10.49 that I could also use a $2 manufacturer coupon. it brought me to my $20 to use the $4 mailer. I was well over my threshold for the cosmetic CRT, and the BB cream counted for my IBOTTA face rebate. So I was able to collect $4 from IBOTTA. So I was getting $4 in cash back, $5 in extra buck because the deal is spend 15, get 5 this week. I had a total savings up front at the register of $12. The $4 in coupons, the $4 from the L'Oreal mailer, and the $4 from the cosmetic CRT. That was $12 right off the bat that I saved at the register. And I was at $20.98. So I was 70%, which is $2.10 toward my Beauty Buck reward. So I paid $8.98 at the register. I got back $4 in cash, $5 in extra bucks. So I was already in the negative of 2 cents. And I got an additional $2.10 in beauty. So I didn't lose out on the deal. To me, making 2 cents is breaking even. And I got an extra $2.10 in beauty, so I'm actually ahead of the game. So you kind of just have to incorporate and work with your CRTs, any mailer coupons that you might get, IBOTTA, Checkout 51, Saving Star, whatever rebates. Those are going to be the things that get you any sort of break-even, moneymaker, freebie type of deals. That's going to be your best bet scenario because there are just that many ways extra to save. So hopefully this was a little bit of some sort of helpful information for you guys. I will have these deals in my breakdown, so you'll see them again tomorrow, along with whatever deals that I include in my versions breakdown for CVS next week. I do see a lot of makeup deals, so you'll definitely get a breakdown tomorrow. But I just wanted to show you guys how to incorporate whatever savings we have available with the beauty program and try to get some extra bucks to be able to roll. And this way you're only paying tax and not coming out of pocket. You make an initial investment and then you start to save extra bucks and so on and so forth. So that's all I have for you. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment below if you have any questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.